Back to my channel, and today I've come to a very nice project at Borivali West. This is quite walkable to the Borivali West railway station, and this is a 3 BHK and a 4 BHK. So 3 BHK का carpet है 1192 and the 4 BHK का carpet है 1453 carpet area. So इस building का पूरा CC received हो चुका है. So let's go and take a look at it. How is it made? We are having a look at the 4 BHK demo flat. It's a sample flat. Let me show you how it is. The carpet area is 1453 and let's take a look. My colleagues will explain you how it is.
So as I told you, per floor we have two flats.
Okay.
One is 3 BHK, that is 1192 RERA, and
Okay.
one is 4 BHK, that is 1453 RERA.
1453.
Okay. So basically two flats and two lifts.
Okay.
Okay. Premium out of premium. That is 1192 and this is 1453.
1453.
Okay. Coming to 4 BHK finished apartment. First.
Okay. So let's take a look at the first bedroom.
First bedroom will be this. ये 12 by 30 का carpet area है इसका.
Okay.
12 by 13 का है. It is a master bedroom attached with.
Okay. So what will be the finishing like? Like this kind of finishing?
Yes, you will get Italian finish 4 by 4 tiles. American standard के bathroom fitting you will get.
Okay.
So this is one combination what builder is giving you. American standard की bathroom fittings है. ठीक है. अब ये combination it is different in each and every bathroom.
Okay.
ठीक है. So one of the combination you can select and ask the builder कि मुझे ये combination
Yeah.
हाँ same है. So this is what I like. You know this combination is someone like you get in hotel.
Yeah. So this is a master bedroom as you see, and
this will be your living area for 4 BHK.
Wow.
This size is 21 by 30.
massive living room. It's T-shape living
The
room.
plus point of this living room, there is a cross ventilation. You will get a cross ventilation with a huge span of window. You know the window span
Wow.
is very big enough.
Wow.
Plus you will get a half railing provided by the window. Half railing.
So how much is this approximately? 20
20
feet.
by 6.
20 by 6. Okay.
20 by 6. And
So,
cross ventilation.
wow.
You know when you go on higher floor, you will get the feel of cross
Correct,
ventilation.
correct.
Basically it will not आपके लिए fan और lights की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
Okay. Even the light. You'll have enough good sunlight.
Yes. तो आपको ये span this
Correct.
basically मैंने लोनावला पे देखा ये जो size है.
Yeah.
So I have seen
This looks like
this
a
is something beautiful I feel.
yeah, जो सिनेमा थिएटर का जो स्क्रीन साइज रहता है उतना बड़ा है.
Now coming to this is the 4 BHK first master bedroom.
Okay.
If I count 3 BHK, so 3 BHK starts from here. As I told you, you have to minus 2.
Okay.
from here.
That
So
side of the-
So basically, if you are looking for 3 BHK, the 3 BHK starts from here.
Okay.
So 3 BHK is living area is 19 by 30.
Okay.
This will be same for 3 BHK and 4 BHK. This will be 10.
Okay.
10 by 10 का dining area.
Dining area.
Coming to the first master comes common. So this will be 11 by 11 by 14 का ये master bedroom है.
Okay.
So we have enough of space. कम से कम 150 square feet का अपना पास room है. So we have enough of space where your interior designer can fix your closet,
Yeah.
bed, makeup room, study room. उसको ये पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि ये मैं कहाँ पर fit करना है. So we have enough of space. It is a huge bedroom.
And this is I think is 4 by 4.
4 by 4, yes, Italian finish.
Okay.
So we provide raw flat also. If you want a raw flat,
Okay.
we provide that. That money will be get deducted at the time of negotiation.
Okay.
If someone says, I want a raw flat.
Okay. So if they want tiles as per their own choice.
Yes. So this is the another combination. This is 8 by 4, 11. This is 8 by 4, 11 bathroom area. Plus
Okay.
you will getting the Roma switches.
Okay.
American standard की bathroom fittings you will get same another combination.
Okay.
Coming to the kitchen area.
Okay.
This size is of kitchen area is 11 by 19. Again the huge span of window.
11 by 19 is the kitchen area. So you have
So mostly
again
जो घर
and
की
big open view.
Yes.
Oh, really?
So women spend more than 5 hours
Correct.
in kitchen
Yeah,
area.
yeah, yeah.
So for them this will be very beautiful on from higher floor as well. यहाँ पर मतलब
Yeah.
यहाँ पर एक feel आता है कि they can
Correct.
spend time over.
Correct.
ठीक है. Plus sunlight easily है.
Yeah.
Cross ventilation easy है. Again the span of window is very nice over.
Well, this kind of ventilation I have never seen in any of the
Yes.
kitchen. आज तक मैंने नहीं देखा इतना बड़ा ventilation.
See, this is builder is providing you with kitchen platform. If you don't
Okay.
like it, if you don't want it, this also only this area you don't like it, so
हाँ.
it will be get deducted.
Okay.
ठीक है? Plus अगर आपको सिर्फ ये टाइल्स लगाई हुई चाहिए तो वो भी पॉसिबल है.
Okay. So we've seen 2 bedrooms and 1 common washroom.
Yes.
The kitchen area, the living room. This is the another bedroom. जो अभी फिलहाल since it's a show flat, so they have an office over here, kind of.
So this bedroom size is 11 by 15. This is the bigger one which you will get in 3 BHK as well.
Okay.
No, 3 BHK में भी same size का you will get 11 मतलब near about 160 carpet area you will get.
Okay.
ठीक है. So along with this bathroom size is 8 by 5.5 की ये
Wow.
bathroom की size है. So
This
it
is a good
quite
size
big
bathroom.
enough.
Yeah.
हाँ, basically यहाँ ये or you can remove all this and put a bathtub over here. Bathtub भी आप रख सकते हैं. This is
Okay.
another combination what we are giving.
Yeah.
ठीक है. If you like this combination and if you ask builder कि मुझे ये combination I want in each and every bathroom, so
Yeah.
we will provide that.
Okay.
This is my personal. I like this combination.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये 8 by 5.5 तो सबसे बड़ा bathroom.
Okay.
Coming to the last.
So this was the 3rd bedroom, master bedroom, and this is the 4th one.
हाँ, this will be the 4th one. If you go for 3 BHK,
Yeah.
this will be the 3rd one. If
Okay.
you minus that one.
Correct.
So that is the only bedroom which divides 3 BHK and 4 BHK as I told
Okay.
you.
The first
So
bedroom we saw.
this will be your 3rd master bedroom for 3 BHK and 4th master bedroom for
Yeah.
4 BHK.
Yeah.
So this size is 11 by 14. As I
Okay.
told you, the same size which you have seen
Yeah.
in the next door.
11 by 14.
Yes, 11 by 14.
Okay, and you can see the windows, they are quite very lengthy. Must be around 10 by something? 10 by 6?
Yes, yes. Near about 8 by 6.
8 by 6.
Yes.
Okay. So height is also good, as you can see
So
nowadays.
floor to ceiling height is 10.
Yeah, 10 feet. My hand doesn't reach. I'm almost 5'7". So the height
Floor
is
to ceiling
excellent.
height is 10. Again, you are getting the attached bathroom. Attached bathroom over here.
This is the attached washroom.
8 by 4.11.
Okay. Again, same fittings, Roma switches.
So right now, 19 slab has been completed out of 21.
Okay.
Only 2 slabs are there.
Okay.
RERA possession date is December 2023.
23.
And for precisely it must be around after August.
Okay. And if my clients come, you would offer them good discounts?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Yeah.
Let them come.
All right. Thank you so much. It was a lovely tour, and I hope someone. It's really a nice flat because I've never seen such huge windows in the living room. It's a massive, very good finishing as well, and the position is just about to be near the full CC has
higher
been.
floor as well. So
Okay.
basically, you will get an idea for the view.
View,
What
okay.
you are getting on the higher, because basically we have sold out all lower floors.
Okay.
It is a Jain dominated area.
Okay.
So people are more keen to buy
Ah.
the lower floor over here.
Okay.
As Jain Maharaj.
And one more thing, full CC is received,
yes,
right?
CC.
Yeah. And you have basement parking along with this.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We have surface parking.
Okay, surface parking. And you have one Shiva temple. Huh?
That is
Yeah.
in building premises.
Okay.
There is a Swayambhu temple
Okay.
on its own.
Okay.
That is near about 150 years old.
Okay.
That belongs to Aving and Weaving only.
Okay. So let's go and take a look at the higher floor. We have come to the top floor. Which floor is this?
13th floor.
13th floor. So as you know that this is 21 floors building. I'll just show you a sample raw flat. the work which is going on. Again, this is the same living room. This is the opposite side. We saw the 4 BHK that side of the building, and now we've come to see the 3 BHK. It's the same, similar kind of layout. The dining area, the size will be the same. The living room, the window. The work is going on right now, little bit, and this will be the kitchen area. As you see, the height is the same. This is one bedroom, first bedroom, and then this is the common washroom, or you can attach it also. And then this is the second bedroom, and the washroom that is next to it. I'll show you from inside. It's a good size washroom. Again, you can have a view of the entire city from here. It's a good view. I need to be careful, the work is going on. This is another washroom area, and this is the another third bedroom. You can just have a look at the view from here. You can see the mountains over there. So this is the Shiva temple, and as you can see, it's right in the center of this wings. और ये यहीं पे ही रहेगा. This will be as it is. It will get renovated. That's it. फिलहाल अभी मंदिर के टाइमिंग्स नहीं है, तो खुल जाएंगे थोड़ी देर में द्वार. तो this is just for you to see.